this is my little life hack. You know when you have these things, 2-inch ones? Well, I was toying around with the idea. I seen some. I didn't make this idea. Someone else did. You know when you get these little ones that they get completely worn out? Well, if you buy the 1-inch adapter, you can cut these down to 1 inch or use the 1-inch adapter and keep using them. That's my little tech tip. And see, they look like little flying saucers after you use them, and they get smaller and smaller. But the problem is when you use them, there's that little piece here, the little 2-inch. I'll show you the little adapter, which I can't seem to get out of the bag. Which I don't know why it's separate. This little gizmo, when you use it, it gets that big and hits the rubber. So if you buy the little 1-inch adapter and put it on there, well, guess what? You then can use it right down to the nubs. So that's my little tech tip for, I don't know, whatever day of the week I post this. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.